Hey everyone, if you are watching this right now, chances are your WordPress website has been hacked or you suspect it has been. First thing first, take a deep breath. This is completely fixable. It happens to thousands of sites every single week, and in most cases, you can clean it up without losing your content or having to rebuild it from scratch. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the first response process, exactly what you have to do in the first hour. And if the infection turns out to be severe, I'll let you know when it's time to call in a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. Before you do anything else, we need to confirm what we are actually dealing with. A compromised site can look a few different ways. You might see Google Search Console flagging your site for malware, or that's carry this deceptive site ahead warning. Sometimes it is obvious, like spam links or a completely defaced homepage. If you aren't 100% sure you have been hacked, head over to sitecheck.security.net and run a free scan. It only takes about 60 seconds and will tell you if you have confirmed infection or just a false alarm. Knowing exactly what kind of hack you have, whether it's a malware injection, a spam SEO hack, or a backdoor, will determine how we fix it. Step 2. Lock it down. This step is constantly skipped by a panicked site owners, which only makes the problem worse. Before we start removing any malware, we need to stop the bleeding. First, put your site in maintenance mode so visitors don't see the compromised version. I'm using a quick plugin like Start here to do this. Make sure the status was set as activated and then save the settings. In some cases, you will need to switch the front page to be the maintenance page that Like Start plugin has generated. Second, change all of your passwords. That means your WordPress admin, hosting panel, FTP, and your database. You can easily change your WordPress admin password right here under Users menu. Why do we do this first? Simple. If there is an active backdoor on your site, cleaning the malware while the door is open will just let the attacker re-inject it right away. Cutting off the access ensure your cleanup is permanent. And if you see any admin account that you don't recognize, delete them right now. Now for step 3, cleaning the infection. You really have two parts here. The fastest and most reliable option, part 1, is restoring from a clean backup taken before the hack happened. If your host or backup plugin has a recent clean backup, restore it. This completely wipes out the infected version. But remember, right after restoring, you must immediately update all of your plugins, themes, and WordPress core, or the vulnerability that caused the hack will still be there. Now if you don't have a clean backup, or the hack is old, you will need part 2, a manual scan and cleanup. For this, I recommend Wordfence. It is free and highly reliable. Install it, run a full scan, and it will flag suspicious file, giving you options to clean it. Be careful not to just blindly delete everything. Sometimes it flags core WordPress files that just look slightly modified. A quick warning, if Wordfence finds dozens of infected files spread across your themes, plugins, and core, you've got a severe infection. Manual cleanup could take hours, and you might still miss something. At that point, paying for a professional malware removal service is usually worth it. Finally, step 4, harden the site. Most rehacks happen because people skip this step. Once your site is clean, do these 4 things before calling it a day. 1. Update everything. Core, plugins, themes. Most hacks just exploit old software. 2. Delete unused plugins and themes. If you aren't using them, they're just security risk. 3. Install a security plugin like Wordfence or Security for firewall and ongoing scanning. The free versions are great. 4. Set up automate daily backups stored offsite. If this ever happens again, having that backup turns a multi-hour headache into a 5-minute fix. If you caught this early and had a clean backup, you are probably already back online. But if the infection was deeper, it might take some more time. There is no shame in getting professional help on this, just to make sure it's done right. Malware removal is one of the services we handle at Pronto, so I will leave a link in the description if you need us. Thanks for watching.